Good morning, investors. As we kick off the day, U.S. stock futures remain relatively stable, following a remarkable close for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq in the previous trading session. On Monday, the S&P 500 and the tech-focused Nasdaq Composite achieved record highs, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average experienced a slight decline, ending more than 100 points lower. Currently, S&P 500 futures are holding steady at 6,059.50 points, while Nasdaq 100 futures show a minor dip of 0.1%, settling at 21,192.50 points. Meanwhile, Dow Jones futures are also down by 0.1%, now positioned at 44,169 points, reflecting the mixed sentiments among traders. As the day progresses, traders are eagerly anticipating the release of JOLTS jobs data and important speeches from key Federal Reserve officials, including Governor Adriana Kugler. Investors are particularly focused on remarks from Fed Chair Jerome Powell this week, as they seek clarity on the Fed's future plans regarding interest rates. While a December rate cut seems to be on the horizon, the long-term outlook remains clouded, especially with potential inflationary policies under a Trump administration. Trump's protectionist views on trade and immigration could potentially lead to sustained inflation, which may keep interest rates elevated in the long run. In addition, all eyes are on the upcoming nonfarm payrolls data for November, set to be released this Friday, which could influence the Fed's decision-making. Fed Governor Christopher Waller expressed a cautious approach, noting that while he leans towards a 25 basis points cut in December, upcoming data will be crucial. In other news, Tesla shares have experienced a dip, falling over 1% after a Delaware court upheld a ruling against Elon Musk's $56 billion compensation package. Despite this setback, Tesla's stock remains near its highest levels since early 2022, as investors remain optimistic about Musk's influence in Washington. The tech sector has been a driving force behind the recent gains in the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, with significant contributions from the so-called Magnificent Seven stocks. On Monday, the S&P 500 rose by 0.2% to achieve a record high of 6,047.15 points, while the Nasdaq Composite surged nearly 1% to a record of 19,403.58 points. Conversely, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lagged, falling by 0.3% to settle at 44,782 points, reflecting broader market dynamics. As we continue to monitor these developments, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest updates and insights into the stock market. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an important update or analysis on your investments.